Good morning, children of class 4. Today we are going to deal Unit 2, 5 landforms, additional questions and answers continuous. Okay, let's see. Roman letter 2, match the following. So, in this match the following, one side they have given forest names and another side they have given district names. Okay. So, we have to match which district is consist of which forest. Okay. We'll see. First one, mangrove forest. So, mangrove forest located at Pichavaram in Kadalur district. Okay. D. That is the first one. Okay. So, Pichavaram in Kadalur district. Okay. And the second, Malai forest. Malai forest is located at Nilgiris district. Okay. And reserve forest. Reserve forest is located at Kanyakumari district. Okay. And the fourth one, Chola forest. Chola forest is located at Coimbatore and Nilgiris districts. Okay. That is the fourth one. Again, I will read with the correct answers. Mangrove forest that is located at Pichavaram in Kadalur district. And Malai forest that is located at Nilgiris district. Reserve forest that is located at Kanyakumari district. Chola forest is located at Coimbatore and Nilgiris district. Next we'll see Roman letter 3, circle odd one. So in this question they will give the words in row way. So we have to round the exception one or the uncommon one. Okay, we have to round the odd one. Odd means uncommon or exception one. Okay, we'll see the first one. Lord Murugan, Bamboo, Rabbit, Kuravar. So here Lord Murugan, Bamboo, Kuravar. These three are related to Kurinji land. So we have already seen in the class. Do you remember, students? So these three are themes of Kurinji land. But this one is the theme of Mullai land. Okay, the theme animal of Mullai land. So this is the odd one because another three are Kurinji related to Kurinji land. Okay, this is the Mullai land theme. So this is the odd one. So this is the correct answer. Okay, rabbit is, this is the odd one. So we have to circle it. Okay. And the next one, mangrove, forest, sandy forest and dry land. So in these, forest, sandy forest and dry land are the Thinais, related to Thinais. But this is the forest, one of the forest. Okay. So this is the odd one. Mangrove is the odd one. Okay. And next we'll see Roman letter 4. Write true or false. So we have to read the sentence. So if the sentence is true, we have to write true. If it is false, we have to write false. Okay. We know very well. I think so. And we'll see the first one. In Mullai land, there are fully pebbles and stones. Is it true or false, students? Yes, it is true. Okay, because Mullai land, we have already seen in the class, there is a Mullai land with red soil and also it's have pebbles and stones, right? So Mullai land, there are fully pebbles and stone only. That is true. Okay. Next we'll see Roman letter 5, answer in short. So we have to write the short answers for the questions. Okay. First one, what is called landforms? So we'll see the answer. The places we see on the surface of the earth is called landforms. Again I will read. the places we see on the surface of the earth is called landforms. Okay, so if the surface have many places, right, many different kind of places, so that places are called landforms. Okay, so 5 landforms we have already seen in the class, and we'll move on to the second question. What are the 5 elements of nature? What are the 5 elements of nature? So we'll see the answer. Land, water, air, fire, sky. So these are the 5 elements of nature. What are they, students? Land, water, air, fire, sky. So these are the 5 elements of nature. Second question. What are the important hills in Tamil Nadu? So need to write important hills in Tamil Nadu. Okay. Answer. Kolli Hills, Servarayan Hills, Kalrayan Hills, Nilgiris Hills, Jawad Hills, Yelagiri Hills. Okay, these are the important hills of Tamil Nadu. Okay, what are they? Kolli Hills, Servarayan Hills, Kalrayan Hills, Nilgiris Hills, Jawad Hills, Yelagiri Hills. Okay, so that's all about the today class, students. Thank you.